Hello, and welcome to LingOrbit. Learn new words every day and broaden your horizons. Ready? Let's begin!
Alarm, alarm. To cause someone to feel fear or anxiety. To cause someone to feel fear or anxiety. The loud noise alarmed everyone in the building. The loud noise alarmed everyone in the building. Alert, alert. To warn someone of a possible danger or problem. To warn someone of a possible danger or problem. The Weather Service alerted residents about the approaching storm. The Weather Service alerted residents about the approaching storm. Align, align. To place or arrange things in a straight line or correct position. To place or arrange things in a straight line or correct position. Make sure to align the text properly before printing. Make sure to align the text properly before printing. Allege, allege. To claim or assert something without proof. To claim or assert something without proof. The article alleges that the company violated regulations. The article alleges that the company violated regulations. Alleviate, alleviate. To make something less severe or more bearable. To make something less severe or more bearable. This medication can help alleviate headaches. This medication can help alleviate headaches. Allocati, allocati. To distribute resources or duties for a specific purpose. To distribute resources or duties for a specific purpose. We need to allocate more funds for education. We need to allocate more funds for education. Allow, allow. To permit or let something happen. To permit or let something happen. The teacher allowed the students to leave early. The teacher allowed the students to leave early. Allude, allude. To suggest or indirectly refer to something. To suggest or indirectly refer to something. He alluded to his past experiences during the interview. He alluded to his past experiences during the interview. Alter, alter. To change or modify something. To change or modify something. You can alter the design to suit your preferences. You can alter the design to suit your preferences. Amass, amass. To gather or collect something over time. To gather or collect something over time. Over the years, he amassed a great fortune. Over the years, he amassed a great fortune. Amaze, amaze. To surprise someone greatly or fill them with wonder. To surprise someone greatly or fill them with wonder. Her talent never ceases to amaze her audience. Her talent never ceases to amaze her audience. Amen, amen. To make changes or improvements to a text, document, or law. To make changes or improvements to a text, document, or law. The government plans to amend the Constitution. The government plans to amend the Constitution. Amplify. Amplify. To increase the strength, volume, or importance of something. To increase the strength, volume, or importance of something. Using a microphone will amplify your voice. Using a microphone will amplify your voice. Analyze. Analyze. To examine or study something in detail for better understanding. To examine or study something in detail for better understanding. We need to analyze the data before making a decision. We need to analyze the data before making a decision. Animate. Animate. To give life or motion to something. To give life or motion to something. The artist animated the characters beautifully. The artist animated the characters beautifully. Announce. Announce. To make a public or formal statement. To make a public or formal statement. They announced the winner of the competition yesterday. They announced the winner of the competition yesterday. Annul. Annul. To officially declare something invalid. To officially declare something invalid. The court annulled the marriage due to legal issues. The court annulled the marriage due to legal issues. Anoint. Anoint. To apply oil or a similar substance as part of a religious ceremony. To apply oil or a similar substance as part of a religious ceremony. The priest anointed her forehead during the ceremony. The priest anointed her forehead during the ceremony. Answer. Answer. To respond to a question or situation. To respond to a question or situation. She answered all the questions confidently. She answered all the questions confidently. Anticipate. Anticipate. To expect or predict something to happen. To expect or predict something to happen. We anticipate that sales will increase next quarter. We anticipate that sales will increase next quarter.
We've reached the end of our orbit for today. Hope you found this LingOrbit lesson helpful on your journey to learning English. Stay tuned for more words, phrases, and fun content in our upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure. See you on the next planet.